are goats so unbelievably good at climbing? And how can mountain goats walk on near vertical rock climbing surfaces that seem impossible for any other wild animals? When you see goats climbing mountains, balancing on tiny ledges, or standing on steep cliffs, it almost feels unreal. Mountain goats climbing sheer rock faces has become one of the most fascinating sights in wildlife, and today we're breaking down exactly why goats are such incredible climbers. Goats, especially mountain goats and wild goats like the ibex, are built from the ground up for climbing. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for rocky mountain environments where most animals wouldn't survive. One of the biggest reasons goats are so good at climbing is their hooves. Goat hooves are split into two flexible toes that can spread apart when they step on uneven surfaces. This gives goats an incredible grip on rocks, making rock climbing much easier and safer. The rough, rubbery texture on the bottom of their hooves acts almost like natural climbing shoes, helping mountain goats cling to steep mountain cliffs. Another reason goats climbing mountains look so effortless is their balance. Goats have an extremely low center of gravity compared to many other mountain animals. This helps them stay stable when standing on narrow rock edges. Their strong legs and compact bodies allow them to jump, land, and pivot quickly, even on loose rocks. When you watch mountain goats climbing, you'll notice how calm and controlled they are, even in dangerous terrain. That confidence comes from millions of years of evolution in mountain environments. Muscle strength also plays a huge role in why goats are excellent climbers. Goats have powerful leg muscles that allow them to leap vertically and horizontally with ease. Wild animals like mountain goats and ibex often live in steep, rocky regions where food is scarce and predators are common. Being able to climb quickly gives goats access to plants growing high on cliffs while keeping them safe from predators that can't follow. Speaking of predators, climbing is one of the goats' best survival tools. Wolves, bears, and other wild animals struggle on steep rock faces, but goats use these areas as natural safe zones. Mountain goats climb not just for food, but for protection. This is why goats in the mountains are often seen resting on ledges that look completely inaccessible. To a goat, that cliff is a fortress. Vision also helps goats excel at climbing. Goats have excellent depth perception, allowing them to judge distance accurately when jumping between rocks. When goats on rocks make precise leaps, they're carefully calculating each movement. This sharp awareness of their surroundings is critical for mountain goat climbing, where one mistake could be deadly. Another fascinating example of goat climbing ability is the ibex. Known as the incredible ibex, this wild goat species is famous for climbing near vertical dam walls and cliffs. Ibex can stand on surfaces that seem almost flat, thanks to their specialized hooves and exceptional balance. Videos of ibex and mountain goats climbing have gone viral because they challenge what we think animals should be capable of. Diet also influences why goats climb. Goats are natural browsers, meaning they eat leaves, shrubs, and plants rather than just grass. Many of these plants grow high up on rocky slopes. Goats climbing mountains gives them access to food that other mountain animals can't reach. This reduces competition and helps goats thrive in harsh environments. Even young goats show climbing instincts early. Baby mountain goats begin practicing climbing skills just days after birth. This early development ensures they can keep up with the herd and survive in dangerous terrain. Watching baby goats climbing rocks may look cute, but it's actually serious training for life in the mountains. In the world of wildlife, goats stand out as some of the most agile and fearless climbers. From domestic goats that climb trees and fences to wild mountain goats scaling cliffs, their climbing ability is unmatched. These animals remind us how powerful natural adaptation can be. So the next time you see a video of mountain goats climbing or goats on rocks defying gravity, remember that it's not luck or recklessness. It's the result of specialized hooves, strong muscles, sharp vision, and a lifetime spent mastering the mountains. If you loved learning why goats are such incredible climbers and want more amazing goat facts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below with the goat fact or behavior you want us to explore next.